Alright, so we're here. We're at the Tuxachanie Hiking Trail in Mississippi. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. We've been really busy. Life has been moving fast. We bought a house. We got it painted. We been exploring the area down here in southern Mississippi. We've been going to the beaches, finding some new hiking places like this one. And we got ourselves a good boy. You'll see him in the video multiple times. His name's Granger. We got him from the shelter. They had a little sale going on because their shelters are full. So we had to have, it was like, what, $25? Yeah, like $25 for adoption fees and everything. And they came with a chip and vaccinations and everything. Come on, boy. He's a good boy. What else has been going on?
Lots of home renovations and both working new jobs, trying to get into the swing of things down here.
Yeah, we both got new jobs. As far as projects around the house, we redid our closet. We're in the middle of redoing our pantry right now because they had some plumbing issues, caused us to have to tear out the drywall, but we're on the finishing leg of that one. We've been trying to get a shed built in our backyard. It's been a fun adventure. And then we're gonna be putting a fence up and got a tree we want to take down. So it's just been really busy, crazy. So, but we're out here. We're gonna hike for a little bit. Trying to think, not too far, maybe 4 miles or so, but get some nice shots. We're just hiking today, not running. You guys get to see the good boy. So he's just enjoying just running through the woods right now. Yeah, so some things about this trail. It has some roots to it. No bikers and no hunting along the trail. It has some roots to it. Some nice pine needles falling every once in a while, but I think it's mostly dirt and some sand. Since we've been down here, I think it's rained like 95% of the time. So this is our first time being out here and it hasn't rained yet. I think there's a chance of rain in the next hour, but just a light rain. I think down here we've just kind of got used to when it sprinkles, it's kind of a nice day to be outside. But most days it's pouring down rain down here. So we just hit the half-mile mark. Trying to think, I've heard this, I mean, obviously this trail is pet friendly. And for anyone interested in hiking this trail, I'm not sure the exact distance of the trail. I've only been out about 2 miles and back. But there's a couple bridges you cross. You know, there's some, I guess, eroded trail where the water's kind of eroded things away, but you take your time through those little rooty spots and you'll be fine. I think I still can have a decent run out here. I'd definitely come out here and run. We've done it before, I'll do it again. So, yeah. Saw that spider back there. There's spiders and all along this trail. There's huge spiders. Little weaver spiders, is that what those are?
I think so.
Yeah, weaver spiders.
Just don't look up.
Yeah, just don't look up. Those things are huge. Pretty much any kind of little opening, they'll build a huge nest to catch whatever they got. But down here, mosquitoes are pretty awful, so you're hoping for frogs and spiders everywhere you go to kind of keep the mosquitoes at bay. Ranger's good. He doesn't know his name exactly 100%. He kind of gets it, but he likes to run off and doesn't understand heel very well. He likes to stop. So he loves people, loves other animals, except cats. I think he likes to, either he loves them and wants to play with them, they don't want to play with him, or he doesn't like them. We have a bunch of stray cats in our neighborhood. So, but he's a pretty good boy. So, yeah, like Liz was saying earlier, we got new jobs out here, so it's been an adjustment. You know, it's changed from the old Idaho, but you know, is what it is. I like it. But hope you guys enjoy.